Dear farmers, keeping your chickens healthy is not just about avoiding sickness. It's about protecting your investment, improving productivity, and ensuring consistent income. A single disease outbreak can wipe out weeks or months of hard work. Therefore, prevention should always be your first priority. Many farmers give antibiotics to their chickens every month, just in case. While this may seem like protection, it can actually do more harm than good. Overuse of antibiotics can cause antibiotic resistance, meaning the drugs may no longer work when your birds really need them. Unnecessary cost, buying medicine when it isn't needed. Residues in meat and eggs, which can be harmful to consumers. Instead, the smarter and more sustainable approach is disease prevention. 1. Practice strong biosecurity. Biosecurity means putting measures in place to keep diseases away from your farm. This includes controlled entry. Keep a visitor's record book. Only allow trusted people to enter your poultry area and make them wash or disinfect their hands and footwear before entry. Foot baths. Place disinfectant foot baths at the entrance of poultry houses and change the solution regularly. Farm clothing. Have separate boots and clothes that are only used inside the poultry house. Limit traffic between farms. If you visit another farm, clean and disinfect yourself before returning to your birds. 2. Protect against disease carriers. Wild birds, rodents, insects, and even dogs or cats can carry germs into your poultry house. Seal holes and cracks in poultry houses. Use wire mesh to keep wild birds out. Control rodents with traps or safe rodenticides. Remove leftover feed at night to avoid attracting pests. 3. Keep water and feed clean and nutritious. Clean water daily. Use water containers that are easy to wash. Dirty drinkers can quickly spread disease. Avoid stagnant water. Don't let water spill and form puddles inside pens. Quality feed. Always buy feed from trusted suppliers and check for mold, strange smells, or pests. Lab testing. If possible, send samples of water and feed to a lab to check for harmful bacteria, mycotoxins, or poor nutrition. 4. Maintain a clean environment. Remove wet litter immediately and replace with fresh bedding. Wet litter encourages diseases like coccidiosis. Disinfect poultry houses between batches of birds. Avoid overcrowding. Crowded pens stress birds and make it easier for diseases to spread. 5. Watch your birds daily. Early detection is key to controlling any problem. Signs to look for include loss of appetite, unusual droppings, lethargy or sitting alone, coughing, sneezing, or nasal discharge, sudden drop in egg production. If you see any of these signs, act fast. 6. Seek professional help for sick birds. Don't rely on guesswork or advice from unqualified sources. Wrong treatment can waste money and worsen the problem. Take a sick bird to a veterinarian or trained animal health worker for proper diagnosis. Follow their prescription carefully. Correct dosage, correct duration, and correct method of giving the drug. Remember, healthy chickens grow faster, produce more eggs, and bring in more income. By focusing on prevention, not just treatment, you will reduce losses, save money on medicine, and build a stronger poultry business. A healthy farm is a profitable farm.
Ellico, home of agriculture to the world.